When designing a room with both a fan and a light, you want to look at the personality of the space, either the personality of the room or the personality of the house. Is it traditional? Is it formal? Is it modern? Is it casual? So that you can kind of build around the space as opposed to trying to just match the fan and the light to each other. You do want to look at your finishes. Do you have oil rub bronze on your hardware? And is that the right finish to put on both fixtures to make sure it coordinates with the rest of your house? Do you have brushed nickel on your favorite piece of furniture, and do you want to coordinate there? So start looking at the different finishes that are in your house and make sure that you aren't putting an outlier stylistically or finish-wise or color-wise. We also have, a lot of our fans have reversible blades. You can look at the wood tones on your favorite pieces of furniture or your flooring and make sure that you are coordinating with the wood tones elsewhere in the room. When in doubt, you can put a clean, fresh white fan up and it'll coordinate with your ceiling, and that'll go in any space.